Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka Voice of the People Party haga arpuiterik ujeliu arajar arpulai. Kalapan benapai ba ban penyeng yau Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon kum Kyrtong MP haga election syaging dorbar tawain Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kaban Longhouse nem arajar arpusau. Yagane lapan benada u General Secretary jongga VPP u Dr. Kara Chen haga jingelang bat kilat patai kubor kabalalong ha Conference Hall jongga MLA Hostel Shillong.
We have received a number of applications, and there are some also who met our president, our party president personally, to convey their willingness to contest the election or the parliamentary election. Okay, so there are two applicants who have applied for to contest the election from our party. One of them is Dr. Bahunlang Kron. She is an assistant professor in the PGT College, and then another one is a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Lakhan Kama. These are the two applications that the party received, and then there are others also who came personally to meet the president on this issue. Basakam, he is the general secretary of the party and he is a founding member of the Voice of the People Party. So we feel that he is the right person to represent, to contest from our party. Okay, he is the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel that he is the right person to be in the state, not to go to Delhi. So which is why we have decided to field Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year. We will go on our own. We will contest the election on our own. And we will not seek support of any political party. Depend on ourselves, depend on the support of the people. We don't need the support of anyone. And like what is happening now, also in the previous election also we have contest on our own. We have not aligned with any political party, which is why we feel even for this parliamentary election also we will contest on our own without the support of any political party. Well, as a political party, once we enter the fray to contest the election, then we have to move ahead. Whether we win or we lose, it does not depend on the number of MLAs. It depends on the decision of the people. So on our part, we feel that once we enter the fray, we feel that we should go ahead, and it's up to the people to decide.